Drivers under the age of 21 face serious DUI penalties. 29% of drivers under the age of 21 who died in car accidents have consumed alcohol. Young drivers should never drive after drinking any amount of alcohol. This is reflected in the laws against underage DUI. Here are some of the most severe repercussions of a minor DUI. The legal consequences of an underage DUI. Underage DUI is a criminal offense in many places, and the driver will be tried in a criminal court. If found guilty, these are the penalties. Prison time may be an option. A driver is more likely to receive a jail sentence, which could last up to 6 months, the higher their blood alcohol content, BAC. License revoked. A driver's license suspension follows nearly usually a conviction for underage DUI. Criminal history. Those responsible for underage driving who are found guilty are given criminal records, which will have a detrimental impact on their lives on a wide range of levels. Drivers may soon be able to have their records cleared in some areas. Others, though, will always have their criminal convictions on their records. Fines. There are hundreds of dollars to thousands of dollars in fines for underage DUIs. Mandatory community service. States that don't imprison minors for DUIs may substitute a significant amount of community service hours. Rehab and required coursework. Some states mandate education or participation in alcohol treatment programs for those who get a DUI while underage. Which state you reside in will determine the specific sanctions. Here are a few instances. In Pennsylvania, drivers under 21 who have blood alcohol concentrations of 0.02% or more are subject to fines of $500 to $5,000, license suspensions of a year to 18 months, and jail terms of 2 days to 6 months. Any underage motorist in Illinois who is caught driving while intoxicated will have their license suspended. Their license will be suspended for at least 2 years if they are found guilty of a DUI on their first offense. What's considered an underage DUI? Adults are typically only considered to have a DUI if their blood alcohol content, BAC, is 0.08% or greater. The restriction is considerably lower for drivers under the age of 21 though. There are zero-tolerance regulations on underage drinking and driving in many states. Even if a teen has a BAC of 0.01% or 0.02%, they may still be charged with DUI. That is really little. After just one drink, or perhaps less than one drink, you can get to that level. If a minor drives after consuming any amount of alcohol, including so little as to register as 0.0% on a breathalyzer test, they may be charged with a crime in several states. The psychological repercussions of accidents caused by impaired driving. Even if there was no accident, a teen who is discovered driving while intoxicated faces harsh legal consequences. The psychological consequences, however, may be harsher than the legal repercussions if the adolescent committed the accident. The motorist may experience intense guilt that lasts the rest of their lives if someone was harmed or killed in the collision. You can experience driving anxiety, despair, or perhaps need medical attention to recover from the trauma. How to stop young drivers from drinking and driving, what parents and guardians can do. You can make a significant difference in avoiding charges of underage DUI for your child. Early and often discussions with your kid about the risks of drinking and driving and the repercussions of an underage DUI are advised. Set a good example by not getting behind the wheel after you've been drinking.